Have you ever pondered why the cost of electricity in Pakistan is so high? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? The answer lies in the fact that the country relies heavily on imported fuels for its energy needs, which makes the cost of electricity vulnerable to fluctuations in international markets. But what if there's a viable solution? One that harnesses the power of the sun? Yes, you got it right. We're talking about solar systems. Imagine if every home in Pakistan could generate its own electricity, reducing reliance on expensive imported fuels. Sounds impressive, right? Solar systems are not a new concept. They have been around for decades, and their popularity has only increased with time. The main reason is that they offer a renewable and clean source of energy. By converting sunlight into electricity, solar systems can provide power to homes, businesses, and even entire communities. And the best part, the fuel is free and virtually unlimited. In Pakistan, where the sun shines for an average of 8 hours a day, solar power is an untapped resource. By installing solar panels, households and businesses can become self-sufficient in their electricity needs, reducing their reliance on the national grid. This can lead to significant savings on electricity bills, making solar systems a worthwhile investment. Moreover, solar systems also contribute to environmental sustainability. Unlike fossil fuels, solar power does not emit harmful greenhouse gases. This makes it a green and clean energy source that is in line with global efforts to combat climate change. Now, you might wonder about the cost of installing a solar system. While it's true that the initial investment can be high, the long-term benefits outweigh the costs. Over time, the savings on electricity bills can offset the installation costs. In addition, various financing options are available to make solar systems more affordable. In conclusion, the high cost of electricity in Pakistan necessitates a shift towards renewable energy sources like solar power. By harnessing the power of the sun, households and businesses can reduce their electricity costs, contribute to environmental sustainability, and become less dependent on imported fuels. To recap, the main points made in this video are: the high cost of electricity in Pakistan is largely due to reliance on imported fuels. Solar systems provide a viable solution by offering a renewable and clean source of energy. And despite the initial investment, solar systems can lead to significant savings on electricity bills over time. So the question isn't why should Pakistan turn to solar power, but rather why hasn't it done so already? Thank you for listening. Remember, the future is bright when we harness the power of the sun.